Hi guys! Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Grashabel. 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 So for more videos, tutorial, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your own coffee scrub. So what is the benefits of coffee scrub to our skin? Okay, so I will gonna give you one, it reduces the inflammation. Two, it improves blood circulation, and it gives youthful and radiant skin, and also it removes the dead skin cells, and then also it reduces the puffiness. And it improves the texture of your skin, it reduces the appearance of cellulite, and also it adds glow to your skin. So a lot of benefits of using this coffee scrub. So now, what all we need is 1 cup of ground coffee. So don't use the instant coffee. You know that when we put the instant coffee into the water, it melts right away. So please don't use it, because we need the coffee that we can use it to exfoliate our skin. Alright, so once again, this is 1 cup of ground coffee, any coffee, and 1 cup of brown sugar, and also we need 1/2 cup of coconut oil. So any oils, any curry oils that you want to use, like if you want like today I'm using coconut oil, but you can use olive oil, what else, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, anything you want, but today I'm going to use the coconut oil. So what we're gonna do is we're going to mix all together. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're going to put this sugar and then the coffee. Alright, and then we're going to mix it. Okay, mix it. Alright, sorry, somebody's crying. Okay, you see it? Wow, now it's almost ready. So here we go. Okay. Alright, so you have your own body coffee scrub. Now, what we're gonna do is I'm going to use it to my face. Let's see. Okay. Okay. You see what happened now? What you're gonna do is you're going to put this one like in a circulation motion, like this one, okay? Like this one and this one. This is so good actually, guys. The smell is so good. You know, the aroma of coffee smells so good. This is one is, and also you can use it for twice a week or thrice a week, not every day, only thrice or twice a week. Okay, now after that I'm gonna leave it like for 3 to 5 minutes, and after that I'm going to wash it. Okay guys, okay, so I already washed my face, and you will feel it. Actually, it's so smooth, and the smells of the coffee, the aroma of coffee is so good, and also you feel that something happened to your face actually after I use it. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Grashabel, for more video tutorial. Okay, next video again.